Good morning, class. This is your math class, and today I am going to teach you fraction, and topic is reducing fraction to its lowest term. Students, a fraction is said to be its lowest term if there is no common factor between numerator and denominator except one. मीन्स कोई भी फ्रैक्शन लोएस्ट टर्म कहलाता है, वो अपना लोएस्ट टर्म कहलाता है जब इन दोनों के बीच का कॉमन फैक्टर सिर्फ वन हो, वन के अलावा कोई भी दूसरा कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं हो, तभी ये फ्रैक्शन जो है आपस में लोएस्ट टर्म फ्रैक्शन जो है लोएस्ट टर्म कहलाएगा. लाइक एंड रूल to reduce the fraction into the lowest term. To reduce the fraction to its lowest term, we continue dividing it by the common factor. ये काफी क्लियर होना चाहिए आपको कि at first what is lowest term and how to reduce a fraction into the lowest term. Students, a fraction is said to be in its lowest term if the numerator and denominator of the fraction doesn't have any common factor except one. वन के अलावा न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर के बीच कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड सेकेंड वन इज हाउ टू रिड्यूस अ फ्रैक्शन इनटू द लोएस्ट टर्म. वी डिवाइड द फ्रैक्शन numerator and denominator by its common factor. Like example is 8 upon 20. Here common factor within 8 and 20 is 4. Common factor of 8 and 20 is equals to 4. So divided 4 2 जा 8, 4 5 जा 20. This is 2 upon 5. This fraction reduces it into the lowest term. And again 24 upon 36. Common factor of 24 and 36 is equals to 12. So we divide 24 and 36 by 12. 12 2 जा 24, 12 3 जा 36. Lowest term is 2 upon 3. 24 lowest term of 24 upon 36 is equals to 2 upon 3. This is the process to reduce the fraction into the lowest term. Now students, another topic, fractions on the number line. Students, fractions on the number line to describe the meaning numerator and denominator. Like we have to draw 2 upon 3 on the number line. So at first we have to draw a line pointed A and B. Then start with a 0 and denominator is 3. So pointed it at 3 at the end point and divide it into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, that is 3. This is 1, 2 and 3. Numerator is 2. So we have to take 2 parts. This shows the numerator and denominator is 3. This is the whole part. According to this method, we can show fraction on the number line. Now, students, another question. Five upon 9. 5 upon 9. We have to show 5 upon 9 means डिनोमिनेटर में 9 है तो हमें लास्ट 9 तक लेना है. So at first we draw line started with the whole number 0 and this point is your 9 and we have to take 9 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now students, we have to draw 9 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now numerator shows 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9. Numerator is 5. So this is 5 and whole part is 9. This number line shows the 5 upon 9. Okay students, this is it for today. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.